Is she much older than us? No way.
But it's true. You'll take good care of them, right?
Yes, don't you worry.
Thank you so much, Parrot Bill. Now, listen to your babysitter and be good.
Bye-bye, Mommy. Hey, guys, what should we do now?
Let's play ball.
Okay, here I go.
Here it comes, dearie.
Jack, pass it back to me. Pass it here.
Okay. Catch. Oh no! Are you all right?
Oh, yes, I am just fine.
I guess we should play something else. Yeah, that wasn't fun. What should we play now? Well, I need food. Parrot Bill, I'm hungry.
Huh? You are hungry? Well, hang on then. I will go get you some snacks to eat. I need to find some snacks quickly. Plums! So many plums! Let me see. Well, this is a lot. I brought them here for you. Taking care of kids is hard.
I'm flying a kite!
Guys!
Whoa! It's flying so well! Go faster, Chip! Faster!
Okay.
Oh, Chip! My kite! Come back! Guys, don't let go! Hold on tight! Whoa! We keep going higher!
Chip! Let go of the string! I will catch you!
Okay.
I'm coming! My special kite! Wait for me!
Did you have fun with Parrot Bill?
Yeah! We had so much fun today!
Did you? Thank you so much for taking care of my kids, Parrot Bill.
I really had fun too.
So, you'll babysit for me again?
Again?
Oh, yes, Parrot Bill. Yes! Let's play again soon!
Oh, all right, children.
Hello, Mrs. Plover.
Oh, hello! Hi, children!
Hello!
Mrs. Plover, can we have a look at the eggs?
Oh, sure.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wow, there are 5 of them. Oh, they look just like stones.
Yes, but the eggs are not as hard as stones. That's why you have to be very careful.
Okay. Huh? I heard a sound for the eggs.
Oh no! It came from my belly.
Oh, are you hungry, Mrs. Plover?
Yes, I haven't eaten because I have to look after my eggs.
Oh dear, that's not good. Come with me. Let's get something to eat.
But what about my eggs? I can't leave them alone.
We'll help you. We'll take care of the eggs while Mom and Mrs. Plover are away finding food.
Oh? Really? Can you really do it?
Of course, if you just teach us how to take care of the eggs for you.
First thing, you wet your wings.
Wet our wings.
Pat the eggs like this to cool down. Sprinkle, sprinkle, cool down.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, cool down.
Wow! All of you are doing very well. Keep going and take good care of them because the weather's really warm and the eggs might get too hot.
You can trust us.
Well then, I'll leave the eggs with you kids and go with Mrs. Plover.
Okay, Mom. Sprinkle, sprinkle, cool down. It's so hot that the water dries up really quickly. Jack, stop being lazy and bring some water. All right. Look at this! Wow! This stone looks just like the plover's eggs! I brought lots of water! Look, guys! Are you okay? Please be careful, both of you. Oh, I'm sorry. But look what I found! Huh? Where is it? Where is my stone that looks just like the plover's egg? Huh? We have one more egg. What? So which one is the stone? The stone is... I don't know! Which one is the stone? Oh, no! Oh, I have an idea! Let's knock on these eggs! No, Jack! The eggs might break. We can try really carefully. No, I said no. Catch that egg! Is it an egg? I don't know. Let's get it first. Hurry! We have to catch it.
Acorn, yummy! What's going on?
Stop! Sorry, squirrel.
Oh, they must be playing a really fun game. Hey, what kind of game is this?
Oh, squirrel, we've got to catch that.
Huh? So it's a catch game? All right, I'll get it.
Just a little bit more.
Yeah, just a little bit more.
Oh, be careful. Don't break it. Come on, give it back. Oh, no, the egg is going to break. Ouch. I got it. Yay. Jack, you saved the egg. All right, then, let's go back to the nest. Okay.
My beautiful babies.
Where were you, my little pheasants? You missed the cute baby birds hatching out.
Already? This must be a stone.
Huh? What's wrong?
Oh, it's nothing. Let's play, little plovers.
Oh, I'm Granny Mandarin Duck, and I will teach you how to blow those cherry husks.
Wow! Will you really teach us, Granny?
Now, blow a little air into the husk. Are you ready now? press down lightly on the husk.
Wow! This is fun!
That's correct. Now you're blowing the cherry husks properly.
Thank you for teaching my babies, Granny.
Thanks, Granny!
My pleasure. Well, I have to be on my way now. I have to find Grandpa Mandarin Duck. Who knows where he is?
Hey, Mommy, why is Granny looking for Grandpa?
Well, my dear, Mandarin ducks are known for being lovebirds.
Oh, I see.
Oh, dear. Granny! Granny!
Hey, it's Grandpa Mandarin Duck! Grandpa!
Hello, little pheasants.
Hello there. We just met Granny a little bit ago, and she was helping us. Yes. And Granny, she taught us how to blow cherry husks, too.
That's my lady, all right. She just loves to help others all the time.
Don't you worry, Grandpa. She can't be far, and we'd be happy to help you find her. Right, children?
Yes, Mommy!
Oh, it is so itchy.
Oh, dear. Now, I happen to know just the thing to help you out. There you go. Try scratching with this.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, Granny. You were right. This is really great. Thank you so much. Oh? What?
There. Isn't this much better, Squirrel?
Wow! They don't fall out! It's really nice. Thank you, Granny. Huh?
Oh, there is Grandpa.
Granny? Hey! Squirrel! What? Oh, it's you, Chip. Have you seen Granny Mandarin Duck passing by? Well, actually, she just went that way. Thanks, Squirrel! Huh?
Granny!
Granny Mandarin Duck!
Granny Mandarin Duck! Granny Mandarin Duck! Granny!
Dear me. Granny Mandarin Duck, where have you gone?
Now what do we do?
I know what we can do. We'll make Granny come look for us.
What?
Let's blow the cherry husks, remember? That way Granny can find us.
We remember. This'll be fun. It will.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Huh? What is that noise? Oh, that was you! You've gotten really good at blowing the husks.
Granny!
Oh, my dearest Grandpa, wherever have you been?
I was looking for you, my dear.
Let's hold hands. Everywhere we go from now on.
Yes, let's, my dear. Little pheasants, thanks for helping.
No, Grandpa. It was all because of the cherry husks.
Well done, children.
Who are you?
Me? I'm a crake bird.
A Crake? So what are you doing here?
Playing Grand Gates.
You shouldn't just cut in like that. You should ask first.
Oh, I'm fine playing, okay?
Okay.
Run, run under the little chick's gate.
Oh, it started! Skip, skip past the little chick's gate.
Run, run
When
under
the
the
song's
little
all
chick's
end,
gate.
the gates will trap a friend. Yeah, we got him! Crake, now you're it!
No,
You should be it when you get caught. That's the rule of the game.
no, I don't want to be it. Oh, seesaw! I'm gonna play on the seesaw.
Sweeties!
Mom! We just got to know a Crake and he's really funny.
We were playing and he suddenly cut in just like that. And he doesn't want to be the it, even when he has to. We really want to get along with him, you know, but...
Why is he acting like that? Maybe it's because he's a stranger to this forest.
Is he a stranger to the forest? How come?
Crake families are very fond of the warmer weather, and so they move around a lot. That's why we call them migratory birds.
Oh, they're the migratory birds. Let's be friends with him. Okay!
Ho-ho!
Hey, Crake, come play with us.
Do I have to? I'm having fun alone.
It'll be more fun if we play together. And actually, seesaws are made for pairs. We'll show you how to play on the seesaw. All right, Crake, now stamp really hard. Yeah! So what do you think? Isn't it better to play together than alone?
Well, I need to play some more to find out. Let's try the other end.
Oh, no! Chip! Oh, I'm on a sunflower. Chip! Bobby! Dury! Are you okay? Yes, I am. But I don't know how to climb down from here. Stay right there, Chip. I'll get you down. It's not possible. I'll do it! I'm coming! Ouch! Oh no, we failed again. What should we do? I don't know. It's all because of you, Crake.
What did I do?
Oh my gosh! It's because you moved to the other end of the seesaw! Oh, Bobby, Dury, Jack, calm down. We said we'd be friends with the Crake.
Friends?
You're right. Let's figure out how to get you down from there first. We could get him down easily if we knew how to fly.
I'll get Chip.
But how?
By flying. I can fly really well.
Really? Oh, whoa! He's really flying! Wow, Crake!
Hold my legs tight.
Wow! You're awesome! Cool! Crake saved Chip!
Yes, of course. Because we're friends.
Thank you, our friend!
Crake, my boy!
Crake, your dad is here.
Hello!
Hi, guys.
Dad!
I see that my boy has made new friends here.
But does he have to go? I wanted to play more with him.
Oh, chicks, I know it's not easy, but Crake's family has to leave now.
Because they're migratory?
That's right. We're migratory birds. Ready to go, son?
Yes, Dad. Bye then.
Goodbye! Take care! See you again, Wow! That's cool! You know how to play wild geese?
Of course, because I'm a wild goose.
Whoa! Really? You mean it? Can you teach us?
Of course. It's simple. It won't work because there's only 4 of you.
Huh? What's wrong with 4?
You can't make the formation that way. Ta-da! The wild geese formation. Isn't that much better? Wild geese formation. Let's go!
Let's go! We are the wild geese, here we come. We are the wild geese, here we come.
Wild geese, to the right.
To the right, whee!
Wild geese, to the left.
To the left, whee!
There's a tall mountain up ahead. We'll need to cross it. How's this? Beautiful, isn't it?
Wow! It's awesome!
Brother! Hey! Where are you?
Hey, that's my brother's voice. Guys!
Wow! Hey, he left us all alone. Do you guys know where we are? Mommy told us not to go too far. Now how are we gonna get back home? Ah! Oh no, we're lost! Huh? Wow, look! Wild geese!
Now then, do you want to play wild geese for real? Huh? We'll bring you back home.
Real wild geese?
Uh-huh. You can hop on, and we'll fly through the sky. Wild geese formation to the little pheasant's home.
Let's go! Ooh, that's our mommy!
Children!
Mommy! Mommy, we went too far into the forest, but then the wild geese helped us get back.
Really? I'm glad you're home. Many thanks to you, wild geese.
No problem. We had a lot of fun. See you around next winter, all right, little pheasants?
Goodbye, wild geese!
Help me out! Caw!
Oh gosh, Grampy Crow! Children, let's help Grampy Crow out.
Yeah! 1, 2, 3, go!
Phew! That's better.
But Grampy Crow, how did you get stuck?
In this hole, there are treasures. I've collected them all my life. Caw!
Wow! Treasure?
Yes, treasure. I got into the hole to take out the most precious treasure of mine, and suddenly the entrance collapsed. Now I can't go inside because the hole is too small for me.
Wow!
Well, I think we can fit inside. We'll find the treasure for you. Mom, can we?
Of course. Grampy Crow, what does the treasure look like?
Well, my treasure is very, very shiny, and it's more beautiful than a flower. It has a round shape, and it's very solid. Caw!
Wow! We'll find it right away. Let's go for a treasure hunt. Where are you, treasure? Wow! There really are lots of treasures. I found it! The shiny treasure. No, I think this one here is the treasure. It's more beautiful than a flower. Hey, Grampy Crow says that his treasure has a round shape. No, this is the treasure. It's very solid. No, this is. This is the treasure. But this is the hardest. Oh, perhaps we should just take everything to Grampy Crow and ask him. Okay, fine.
It's not here.
What? But it's so pretty. You mean this is not the treasure?
You'd better try in a different way.
But how?
You shouldn't work alone. Instead, all of you work together.
Together?
Yes, you'll only be able to find it if you work together.
All right, let's look again. Okay, go! It has a round shape, is very solid, and very, very shiny, and more beautiful than a flower. There it is!
brittle than a flower.
And very solid, too.
If you hold it this way, it has a round shape. We found it! Yay!
Let me see. Oh, yes! This is the treasure that I've been looking for. Oh, thank you, little pheasants.
Yippee! We won the treasure hunt!
Well done, my little chicks.
But Grampy Crow, what's it for?
Oh, this? This is my crown. Actually, I'm the king of the crows.
Wow!
To thank you, I'll give you guys a present. Aha! Here.
Wow, what a pretty marble. It's perfect for you, Chip.
It's even bigger and shinier than the one I lost before.
Let's play marbles again!
Yes, let's go!
Well then, goodbye, Grampy Crow.
Goodbye, everyone. No! Where's my crown gone?
Here, subscribe to our channel.